So friends, we were discussing a lazy and eager initialization of singleton class. Now we will see how we can make it thread safe. So as I explained, we are doing it basically three ways. So one, two, and three. So here the very first way is we can make our factory instance method synchronized. Okay, second way, we can make only a block inside instance method synchronized, and and we can make our declared variable as volatile. Okay, and third one is like declaring static inner class. Okay, so let's implement very first way. Take a class test 3 singleton. Okay, take private static test 3 singleton. Okay, declare a private test 3 private constructor, sorry. Create a instance factory method public static. The return type should be class itself. Get instance. Okay, since we want to make this as a thread shape, so like in thread we can mark any method synchronized so that it will be available for one thread at a one time. So make this synchronized. Okay, and here check if singleton equal null, then return new test 3 singleton. Okay, so otherwise return singleton itself. So what we are doing here, like we are checking like if this class is already initialized, then we are returning the same object. Otherwise we are checking like if it is null, then we are returning the new object from here. Okay, so this is something which is called which is called thread safe singleton. Come to the second point. So here what happening when you make the whole method synchronized, then thread take log on whole code inside the method. So it is not a good way, like you only need to perform work on this place, and for this small piece of code you are taking log on whole method. So this is not good anyway. So how we can remove this? We can declare a block inside method and make this method synchronized. So take again a class test for singleton. Okay, singleton, same thing, declare a private static test for singleton, declare a private constructor test for okay. Also declare again a public method, public static. Do you think why we make this method always static? As you know, we will not able to create object of this class outside of from this class. So how we will access this method? If we are not able to create the object of this class, then how will we will able to access this instance method? So the way we make this static, so it can access easily by the class name. Okay, so that's the reason why we are making this static method. Then give the return type for get instance. Okay, get instance. Now here we are implementing something called double check locking. Okay, so check if singleton na equal to null, then declare a synchronized block, give the singleton object here singleton. Okay, again check if singleton equal to null, then return new test 4. Okay, otherwise what we are doing, we are returning same already initialized object. Okay, so this is something we can make a block synchronize instead of making whole method synchronize. Also we are checking nullability of this object singleton object, one outside the block and one inside the block. So this is something called double check locking. So here we can we finished uh, declare thread safe singleton class. Okay, okay.